everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just to briefly explain what happened here, I got about 30 minutes away from where I was going to, and my headlights turn off, my radio goes dark, and my gauges turn off too. And I was able to get the truck about 3 miles away where the Circle K was. I was quickly able to find out it was just a loose nut on the back of the alternator. I was able to secure that wire back up and then let it idle there for about a minute or two, let it charge back up, and then I was right back on the road. So today we are out on the Verde River right next to Horseshoe Dam. Let's get an early start to some fishing. I have my line out. I'm probably about right there. You can see we're all right here, super shallow, thick vegetation, so just casting it out, see what'll happen. This is really the only spot I could find that wasn't just crawling with people, so that's why I'm out here. But yeah, not too bad. Beautiful spot. Yet again, I go off-road and this bumper cap comes off. I don't think the truck wants it on. I really don't. So I knew this was going to be a short trip. I only had about 5 hours to work with, and 3 of them were just in drive time. So after I made my sandwich and I ate it, I went ahead and just threw a couple more casts out to see if something would happen. And yeah. Well, I tried. And cool. But I wanted to say again, thank you to everybody who's subscribed, who's joining in on my little experiment here, trying to just get better at photography, videography, the editing, and making some stories. You know, I am not someone who is trying to chase this. I'm someone who really wants to just do a really good job for our nonprofit. And again, you know, I think that doing this, practicing making these videos is the best way for me to get better. You guys, for all the support you're showing me, I couldn't tell you how much it means. Between Anthony and AZ Overland, my dog, thank you guys so much for actually taking the time and looking at my videos and telling me what I need to do to make them a little better. I just couldn't thank you guys enough for that kind of support. It's just so kind of you guys to spend your time helping me. We have our upcoming Easy Kids event here in January. Again, in Bouse. Hopefully this year it gets even bigger, you know, like it has been. And we're able to keep improving. We're able to keep getting